What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel again, the Yeet Squad. So today I wanted to make a little video of all my handguns I got. See what y'all think about them. You know, just wanted to make a little video. So let's get with this one. Clean. This is a little American Tactical AR15 pistol. Very nice gun I got here for the money. Pretty sure this is about the cheapest AR15 pistol you can get. At least before all this Corona and new president we got. Before all this, they were retailing for about $350 brand new on Classic Firearms. I ended up picking this up at a local gun store here. When I picked it up, it was around $450-ish, I believe. Love this little gun. I put a little cheap green and red dot. Got a little flashlight from Amazon. Very bright. They only paid like 40 bucks for it. Came with the mount. I bought the little finger guard. Pretty sure that's what you call it. That was about another 30 bucks on this. I do want to change the arm brace on it to a SBR, or not SBR, what is that? Dang, I forgot the name of it. The one is almost like the actual stock. You can slide it back and forth. I completely forgot the name of it. Well, that's about it on that one. Yeah. Besides the arm brace, might do some trigger work. Maybe a custom hand grip. But yeah, awesome gun. Never had a problem with it. Definitely recommend it for anybody. Next up is the most recent purchase. This is a FM 9mm. This is a Foxtrot. Came with a 31 round magazine, ETS, but was not a fan of that magazine. So I ended up buying some other magazines off of Classic Firearms, which I got another one right here. It's RWB. It's made in Korea. This one holds 33 rounds, and they were only $11 plus shipping. I ordered 5. I think I ended up paying like $70 with shipping. Spring is very nice in this thing. Loads very easy. No problems out of it feeding or nothing like that. Definitely my favorite AR platform I got so far. Does not kick whatsoever. It's not very loud. Again, I want to change the arm brace on it to that same one I was talking about. Definitely like the little push button right here to release the magazines. Very nice. Is definitely noticeable. I put a 6-hour Romeo 5. It's motion activated. This thing is crazy sensitive. Literally, you barely move the gun, barely anything, and it activates. It's a 2-minute on position. After 2 minutes, it shuts off, and as soon as it detects very little movement, it turns back on. I mean, some people might like that, some people might not. I like it. You know, you just never know when you might need it. It's very concealable. I'll show you. I got a Glock 20 that, without the brace, it's almost the size of the actual gun. But yeah, I don't have that much experience with this one. I've only took it out one time to sight it in. Probably put around 2 magazines through it. No complaints at all. This one, I picked it up off of Classic Firearms also, and I think I bought 2 of these. I bought one for me and one for my fiance. For both of them, came out to be just past $1,400 with shipping and tax and all that. But yeah, very nice guns. Not sure exactly what I'll do to this one. I'll probably add a little tactical light on it too. Other than that, probably not. It doesn't have that much room to do anything else. Let's cover this back up. Oh, the little red dot, I bought it off of Amazon. I paid, it was $135 when I bought them. I bought 2 of them for my gun and my wife's gun. Free shipping, Amazon Prime, you know. This is how it looks with the magazine. Just like that. Awesome gun. Take that out. Next one, I got a micro Draco. This is chambered in 7.62 by 39 AK-47. It's also clean. I've had this one for about 1.5 years, 2 years maybe. This gun is just unbelievable. The power it has. It shoots some crazy flames out of this thing. Hell, it probably shoots a good 2.5–3 foot flames out of it. Very, very loud. Definitely need ear protection for this bad boy and the AR15 pistol. Haven't really had that much issues at first. The little bolt down here for the little handguard thing wouldn't stock. The threads somehow ended up getting stripped, so I had to get a new screw and had to put a lock washer with the red Loctite for it to hold. And ever since then, this bad boy does not come loose. And I can shoot. I've shot up it was like 250 rounds, like back to back. It got hot, but it did not get loose or nothing. I have had a couple jams with it, and I'm pretty sure it's the magazines. This one's a 40-round magazine. Not sure the name of it. Bought it off of Classic Firearms also. I have had some jams. I'm pretty sure it's the magazine. Could be the ammo. I got some Russian ammo. Not sure. Can't remember the name of it. This is silver casing. Oh, Oh, well, this one says Wolf on it, so it's probably not this one. There was another box of ammo that I had that wasn't that impressive. Locks in tight though. This is just a fun gun. Just go out there and just start blasting things left and right. You know. I would like to put a little hand guard or hand brace on this too. Possibly another little green or red dot on it. I'm not sure. Let's see. I got the little straps for them. Here's my my gun bag. One of them. My fiance got it for me for my birthday. Let's see. Nothing in that pocket. Next pocket. Oh yeah, I got this little baby right here. Little 25 ACP. It's Raven's Arms. It's a model MP25 Auto, made in the USA. Little magazine. I think it holds, I can't remember, it's been a while since I shot this, 8 or 10 rounds. Fun little gun. Ammo's pretty pricey on this thing. But yeah, definitely a nice little toy for the collection. I bought this at a local gun store, as well as my Draco. The Draco, when I bought it, I got it for right at like $700 out with tax. This one, it was used when I bought it, and I paid I think it was $100, $150, something like that, with some ammo, little case. You know, just a fun little gun to have. Let's see what else I got. Oh yeah. Then I got my my trapping gun. Got a little Heritage Rough Rider 22 caliber. This isn't the one you can change for with the cylinder to 22 mag. This is just a 22 long rifle. I paid $120 for this one at Dunham's. Nice little gun. Be planking around the backyard or wherever. Holds 5 rounds. Like I said, this is my trapping gun for coyotes, raccoons, possums, bobcats, whatever, you know. Now over here, this bag holds 3 pistol bags in it. Just start off with the first one. Make sure my trigger don't fall. So first one, we have my Glock 26. It's clean. This was my first pistol I bought once I got my concealed. I paid $450 for this one. It was used. Pretty much my everyday concealed. I put some True Glow night sights on it. Freaking bright. And at night, these things glow so freaking awesome. Definitely worth the money. I bought them at another little gun store. I overpaid because I ended up paying $140 think, or 160, and Amazon has the same ones for $75, free shipping. So I was pretty bummed about that when I found those. But yeah, my everyday concealed pretty much. Nice gun. It's got the aftermarket grip on it. Nice grip. It's got a pinky extension. Very nice. Very solid gun. Can't go wrong with Glocks. My favorite pistol of all times. Little case. It has for 4 magazines. And depending on the size of the pistol, you might be able to fit 2 in each one. And if you got kids like myself, you can on the zippers, you can fit a little lock through there, as well as the big lock, the big zipper back here. Next one is my other Glock. This is my Glock 20 right here. Got oil on it. Try to keep them nice and clean all times. This one is loaded. Got hollow points. I think these are Cordony, I believe. There's one on top. Right there. Nice. I'm not sure what it says right there. But yeah, this I love this gun. This is the short frame Glock 20, I think. Well, no, it's not. It's not the short frame. It's the medium size one. The short frame is the one that's almost like the Glock 26. I have a ADE green dot on this. The gun itself, I bought it at a gun store where I was working at. Went in the gun store just to buy some ammo, and ended up walking with a new gun. It was pretty cheap. It was brand new. Not sure why it was that cheap, but I ended up paying just above or just over $450 for it. So that was a heck of a deal. I was not walking out of that store without it. Very solid gun, nice and heavy. Very little recoil. Helps that it's nice and heavy. Definitely plan on hunting with this. This here. See what we can get. I conceal this also once in a while. It's a little bulkier, but you can still conceal it. No big deal. Also, same thing, 4 more spots for magazines, another magazine. Next one is another Glock. This is my Glock 22, gifted from my brother. He's got a YouTube channel also called Full Draw Outdoors. So make sure y'all subscribe and like his videos also. Alright, now it's clean. Same thing, I got an ADE green dot on it. There's an Advanced Optics. Same green dot. I was hitting steel target with this pistol. It was I think a 12-inch steel target. I started at 10 yards and worked my way down, increasing by 10 yards, all the way to 120 yards. That's as far as I've shot it so far. And I was hitting to still play with it. Very impressed, especially for the quality of this little green dot. The price was only $60 on Amazon. Phenomenal. I mean, nothing negative about these sights. I did take my first doe with it this year. I have a video of that hunt. I have to look for it. I'll post it up. But I shot the doe with just regular full metal jacket. I couldn't find no hollow point, no hunting loads. So I did have to follow up on the doe with my 270. That way, you know, it wasn't suffering and wouldn't wander off. But we'll retry it again now that I have some good ammo. We'll try again. Like I said, this was a gift from my brother. I'm not sure what he paid for it. Probably $500-600. You know, Glocks don't go for that much. Do plan on getting a nice little O light on it, as well as the Glock 20. For this one, I did purchase 30 round magazines as well. They are RWB, same thing as this, 9mm 40 caliber. Never had an issue with them, being especially how they're cheap. I paid $13 a piece for this one off of Classic Firearms. Yes, that's pretty much all my handguns as of now. Do plan on getting a lot more. Just prices are getting a little crazy right now with all this crap going on in the world. But definitely worth it. You never know when you'll need them and when they'll end up trying to take our damn guns, which hopefully that will never happen. And if they do, pretty sure, just like me, everybody else is not gonna let that go down. Yeah, this world's going crazy.